when we're designing, what we want to design is comfortable spaces. And what people don't feel comfortable is when they're looking into darkness. And so some simple things that we can do to help people feel more comfortable is demonstrated in this. This is just 3 crepe myrtles, not that big of a deal, but for guests when they're coming up here and they're going to their car at the end of the night, having something that's backlighting this area just makes you feel more comfortable. There's a natural wood line that they're not allowed to touch. A little creek runs through there. And so just having some lighting over here just makes people feel a lot more comfortable as they're going to their car. And then obviously the downlight that I spoke about before is practical lighting. So we're hiding light source, we're making it look beautiful. Rather than taking big spotlights and just blast light all over the place, it's using small discreet lighting to help people feel comfortable as they're coming in and out, or when guests are leaving. It really just guides their way, and they're not going out into the woods in the darkness. Instead, they have some lighting, and it's all controlled. And that's one of the important things, is to allow the lights to go off. So our client, with the automation controls we have, can have his lights go off at 11 o'clock, but if he's got a late night working and comes home at midnight, the lights automatically come on as he pulls up in his car. So those are the little advances that we offer in lighting design and the options that we have, so that our clients really get the full understanding of what lighting can do on their properties.